Good night. My name is Grabando Ramirez. Course Return Logistic Processes, Group number 15. Rules of Manufacturing Strategy. Proposal of Reverse Logistics Strategy answering the questions. The company selected for the exercise is Jumbo, a company dedicated to the productions and distributions of the jewelry for men and women. First questions. What are the priorities? The priorities of the company to reduce material cost and identification of shortcomings in quality processes, and also to be more conducive with the environment and create process more clean. Second questions. What results are going to be implemented? This program we have a full-time area or select section determined. One person communication, one person for reviewing and scheduling collections, another person for reception of material, another person transport the material to the plant. The correct disposal of the material is a determined process. Another person generate the credit notes if this case arises. Another person work team generate control of a supervisor, and it is planned to recover 18% of the materials, parts, and accessories that enter be returned. Dear questions. How will you communicate with customers? You want the customers to carry out the company returns policies. All the processes that will determine it are established in the company return policies. These policies are established from the administrative and accounting part so that the claim is completely satisfied and the company doesn't now enter into losses. For this, all products must have a brochure that will have this information to contribute to the perfect development of the Return Logistics Program. Also, we will have a web page where all information of the company including return policies and the conditions. Thank you very much.